Hey, what's up? Jay Maxwell here, and welcome. Today I'm actually taking you behind the scenes of a cool impromptu photo shoot, which was sparked by my makeup artist. We were finished doing what we needed to do, and she just had this bright idea to do some creative Katrina makeup. Now, what makes this all more impressive is that she did not have the equipment to do it, and she ended up doing with just eyeliner. So for my makeup heads, you know that's super impressive. As far as gear goes, I used the Sony a7 IV, and my lens of choice was the 28-75 Tamron G2 lens. And as far as lights go, I did use one light, and that light was the Nanlie Forza 60B paired with the Nanlite PJ FZ60, which is its Fresnel counterpart. One of the reasons why I like this Fresnel here is because these silver and blue things that you see here allows me to slice and dice the light and create more creative looks and creative expressions within my work. Also, later on, and I think I'm gonna do a part 2, but later on I use this thing. This is a company by Lens Baby. It's called Omni Filter, which was really dope. I really liked using this. This is probably the 3rd shoot that I used this on. Is it a need in any photographer's bag? It depends on you. But if you like creative stuff, if you like to mix things up, I would definitely say to get this. I'm not sponsored, but it's a really dope piece of equipment here. So now that we got the gear and stuff out of the way, let's take you behind the scenes and show you how we actually used the Nanlite Forza 60B to create these looks. See you on the other side. To give a little perspective, I have the Nanlite 45 degrees camera right to the subject, about 10 feet away, suspended in the air about 9 feet, pointed directly down at her. Thought that would help as you continue to view. Doing it. Stay just like that. I want you to, with the eyes, just look at the lens. Yes. Boom. Chin up. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Do that shit again. Yeah. Yes. Do it again. Ah! She said, you know. That's Annabelle. There you go. And just turn your chin towards the light. There we go. That's it. There we go. Can you elongate your neck a little bit more for me? There we go. There we go. And then just turn your chin, try to turn the chin to the shoulder. Yes. At this point of the shoot, I still do want to make clear that we're still using the same light combo. I know this finish is a little blurry. That's just because I was using the Tiffin Hollywood Star filter that kind of softened it out. But from here moving on, I did take it off, and these were the results. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you so much for your time. If you like videos like this and more, remember to like, comment, subscribe, because videos like this will be posted weekly. Peace.